Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, November 18th. Got up extra early this morning, put some forecast data together for you. Take a look at the rest of this week. First of all, we'll try to take a look at Friday evening activities before we get into the second half of the week. Also, take a look at the weekend and then how next week looks to start off, because we are in a little bit more active weather pattern. Not so much for severe weather, but for any plans, just everybody kind of wanting to know what the precipitation schedule and temperature schedule looks like, especially as we inch closer to holiday week next week. So went ahead to start it off with the 500 millibar chart. It's where I always start. Don't usually bring it up here, but just want to show you that over the Midwest, just off to our west a little bit, the axis of upper level ridging is over the area. So that explains the calm and warm conditions. It was actually 10 degrees warmer outside this morning than it was yesterday morning. So all of that explained by that upper ridging. You can see on the temperature map there, that correlates pretty well. So I have today's highs pulled up for you. So out in central Kansas, you might not quite see 60 degrees, but about 65 in Kansas City, 62 up in St. Joe. But you can see there's a ridge that's going to stretch right over the area, actually through like Miami and Bates counties. So you guys are going to top the 70-degree mark down there, 73 maybe, down towards Joplin today for your highs. So let's jump ahead to Wednesday afternoon. Keep an eye over here towards western Kansas, out in the panhandle of Oklahoma, panhandle of Texas. There is a low pressure system approaching way off to the left of your screen, but several shortwave disturbances are going to start sending waves of precipitation up from the southwest starting Wednesday afternoon. And so here's what I think that looks like. We're up into between 9 and midnight that I think we just have several waves of light showers. Data this morning suggests that those may hit north of Kansas City, north of I-70 for sure, picking up probably northern Missouri, but there is a lot more to come after that. So here we are into early hours of Thursday morning. Got to check my timestamps here. This is when I think we will see precipitation probably in its greatest wave. Some think that Friday will be the heavier day, but looking at data this morning, I'm not so sure that Thursday may not be. Here is Thursday by noon, and I'm going to kind of zoom in here so that you can pick up I-70, which is right up here. There's Hays, Salina, Topeka. Look how everything kind of hangs out. This is Thursday afternoon. Yeah, Thursday afternoon, where I see moderate to a few heavy showers predominantly south of I-70. So Thursday looks like a pretty active day to me right now. As we go Thursday night over into Friday, do see a few pockets of heavier rainfall south of I-70 still on both sides of the state line before all of this starts to work out of here, but it's going to hang around all the way. I'm up into Friday now. Will things clear out for Friday night? That is the question I will be trying to answer in the next day or two. Right now, unfortunately, it looks like depends where you are. Late afternoon on Friday, 3, 4 p.m., I do see scattered showers still hanging around the I-70. This data will change, by the way, but looking for positives, I think it lifts off to the north and the east. I know that much. The question is when. So data suggesting right now that that may take place during the evening hours of Friday. So right now, kind of looks to me like south of I-70, which saw the heaviest rainfall in the preceding days, might start to dry out on Friday sooner. So if mud is not a factor, maybe your Friday night stuff is okay, unless you're north of I-70. But like I said, we're not going to put a ton of weight on that right now. I will be keeping an eye on it. It's just what today's data is saying for you. So after that, I'll push us out of here Friday evening. The weekend looks dry to me. Next chance for precipitation looks to start on Monday, early morning hours. So a change from previous data a couple of live streams ago. I think the bulk of these showers and thunderstorms for our Monday round now might stay well south of the area, but I do think that that disturbance will kick up some light to moderate showers through the area, and this looks to be through the day Monday, all the way through Monday night, possibly over into Tuesday. It doesn't look like a whole lot with that round. Again, the bulk of it staying significantly south. 660-464-2067 will get you these guys, Premier Contractor Services, and you will be in awesome hands with experts available for all levels of construction, small stuff to big stuff and repairs. Give them a call. They will take good care of you. They sponsor 660 Weather. That is your forecast for Tuesday morning. I hope you have an awesome day today. I will keep you posted. Catch you later.